G'day guys. Yeah, we got a 1964 Falcon Coupe that come back into the workshop because yeah, after 60 years she's got a few problems on the underside. So was here previously, but we didn't have time to complete it all because it was booked into the mechanic. So it's back to finish off the job. Yeah, it's got a few rust issues on the underside. As I said, we're going to fix those first, but then it's got a few other issues too, like the windscreen is leaking, so I'm going to have to pull that out and add some more butyl rubber around to try and stop that leaking. Lots of few other little things on the list, but we'll go over that as we get into it. So yeah, let's have some fun, hey? She's got some nice hardware, a little 289 Windsor. Wellwoods. Yeah. Falcon. Anyway, she's not running 100% right just yet. She's got the Edelbrock carby and manifold. I'm suggesting possible vacuum leak because it's stalling when coming to a stop on the road. Anyhow, let's have a look under here. Oh, there goes the neighbours. Noisy buggers. Oh, this is some more nice hardware. Look at that. Wellwood. So yeah, we got rust under here. I thought it was going to be just this front part, but unfortunately it's underneath as well, so I'm going to have to replace this bit. So that's fun. Not sure which way I'm going to go about it just yet. Oh, the sun's right in my eyes. Oh, it's in there too. That's just made it a little bit more interesting. Alright, I'm going to get this panel here out, I think, and have a much closer look, because that's definitely made it more interesting, because that's a little bit harder to shape, because I was going to shape it out of 1.5 mil, and that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we've managed to make up a new panel. As you can see, that goes right there. So now we've got to cut the old tin out. But I had to make, because this is 1.5 mil, I had to make this bit up separately and weld it in. But I got the job done. It's just 1.5 mil is a lot harder to bend than what 1 mil is, for the obvious reason that it's thicker. Right, we've got a nice little pile here. Nice little pile of stuff, rust and dirt daubers that was all inside. Here, that's the inside of the panel I just cut out. I've still got to get the flanges off. Not easy, but I'll get it. I've only got an hour or so left of the day, but the new panel's ready to go in. There, like that somehow. Yeah, I've got to clean it up a little bit first. This part here, get some bare metal showing through, something to weld to, so I'm not welding to whatever's on it. Nice. Right, here we go. We got it all done. So now I'm going to coat it all up so that you can't even see it. You know what I mean? All right, we got another bit done. So this bit under here, which I showed you just before. I'll put a new piece of tin in there and then hit it with some epoxy black. So that's that done. So we got to move on to the next bit, which is at the back of the car. But we're not going to do that today because it's about half an hour left of the day, and by the time I set up for that, it'll be knockoff time again. So it's no point. So I'm just going to pack up and yeah, we'll come back out tomorrow. But we're going to sign off here. It's actually Monday. I was supposed to do this video over the weekend, but thought I'd just tack a little bit of this week onto the video, seeing I'm doing an extra day on the Falcon this week anyway. So anyway, you know the drill, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll catch you when I'm looking at you. Bye guys.